What we are going to do next is continue working with the logo. Let's click on this zoom tool, right click and fit all. Then we are going to create the logo inside this area. This time we are going to change the canvas. Let's click on the red area and canvas. We are going to make a selection of 666 right there. Then we are going to click inside the text tool and click in here. You are going to write down Design Studio. Then click on the pointer tool one more time right there and move all the text in here. I am just going to increase right here all the way to the right there, and then this left side all the way to the left. The next step will be to choose the font down here, and let me see if I can find something in here. You know what, let me choose, you can choose any font you want, but in this case let me make a selection on this one right here, Aharoni, something like that. Then we are going to increase the font size right there, probably to 50. Let's try that one. Move the logo up here right there, and here's what we are going to do. We are going to click down here, and then we are going to click on options. The next step will click in here in the category gradient, then linear, that will be fine. Click down here, and we are going to change this color in here. Clicking here on this circle and probably increase the intensity a little bit. There we are. And we are going to go back and make a selection. Let's click on fill options. Then the grain, we are going to use the wood. Let's scroll all the way down right there, and we are going to increase the intensity, probably reduce the intensity a little bit more right there. That will be fine. Then you are going to click on the canvas and change the color, probably right there. Next, click again on the logo, and we are going to apply a filter. Let's click on the filter, shadow and glow, then inner shadow right there, and we are going to reduce this 7 from probably 2. Let me try 2 right there, and we are going to reduce the 4 to 2. Next, we are going to increase the opacity to 100. There we are. And as you can see, now we have a three-dimensional, probably a shadow three-dimensional look inside this logo. Let me click on the zoom tool, right click, magnification, and 100%. As you can see, this will be a lot better. Now again, you can play around with your creativity in this process, because whatever you want, you can accomplish it with Adobe Fireworks. Of course, you will need to have experience and play around a little bit with this software. The next step will be creating the slogan down below the logo name. So I am just going to click again on the text tool, click down here, and creative team work. We are going to click on the pointer tool, and then we are going to reduce the font size to probably, let me try 30, probably 25, it will be fine. Let me increase just a little bit, 28, there we are, and we are going to move the name down here. Now you know what, we can probably increase the font size inside the logo. Let's move it to 55, there we are, and that will be probably a little bit better. Let's try a little bit more. Well, that will be too much, 58, that will be fine. Now let's go to the creative teamwork, and down here we are going to move it down there. Click again on the slogan and then on filters, click in there, shadow and glow, then drop shadow, and we are going to play around with that shadow. Let me make a selection in here to probably 4, and then increase the opacity. There you are. We are going to reduce a little bit, 3 and 3 down here. I think that will be good. Okay, so far we have designed the logo name and then the social media icons that we are going to be using. The final step will be creating the search bar and the search logo.